Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 300 amp 75 volt filtered rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This has been fully tested, checked out, great working condition. I'll show you guys the nameplate really quick. Overall dimensions, 31 inches length, 31 inches width, 54 inches high. This is wired for 480 3-phase. Get this going for you in a second. As you can see, it does have digital controls. Great condition. There we go. Show you guys the O-scope. Great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.